Meaning of Goidelic.
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 Goidelic. Goidelic refers to a group of Celtic languages, which includes Irish Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic, and Manx. These languages are primarily spoken in Ireland, Scotland, and the Isle of Man respectively. The Goidelic languages share many common features, such as a complex system of initial mutations and the use of the verb-subject-object word order. They also have a rich literary tradition dating back to medieval times. Despite facing various threats over the centuries, the Goidelic languages have managed to survive and continue to be spoken by thousands of people today.